Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Oh, I'm excited. It's been a long time since I do the loser unboxing. Yeah, cookie, and also La Trinitaine, and it's from Bodan. And I searched online. You know, when I go to some place, I search online. I go to YouTube and see if there is any video. They actually have a beautiful, beautiful video documentary movie about La Trinitaire. It's kind of a family story style. An old grandpa started this business and chat with his petits enfants, grandchildren, petit-fils, grandchild about family legacy, start business. It's a wonderful, wonderful documentary. Maybe I should, if I do not forget, if I forget, La Trinitaire. It's a beautiful French language and quite slow, quite charming, very much French documentary style. You know, in French reportage, when they do this kind of a report, TV report, they have the most eloquently speaking French speaking reporters. They usually speak too fast, but that documentary made very artsy and slow language, slow story, and with a very charming, profound voice. Oh, it's a beautiful documentary. I love it. I like documentary when you hear about the story and not in a rush, because I am slow. I do not have very good understanding of the language. It takes me long time to understand something. I need to regurgitate the words. First, I am a slow person. I'm not very intelligent or very smart. And everything takes me longer time. And also, this becomes my way of learning. Oh, as I was doing this, I remember one friend said, "Oh, the hand," or they like to see the hands. So today, I was in class, and we did some painting, and I helped students to do a demo of coloring. So she did. Let me see if I have a pencil. So she did some coloring on the side. Let's say we do an eye, and I just do the coloring on the edge. You do it very strong, and just keep on doing. And on this side, you slowly going lighter and lighter and lighter. So different level of darkness. I was just doing it, and then they say they can see my muscle moving, and they say it's very satisfying. I do not know if you can see it or not, but they see the muscle and the veins. And I never thought it. It's only fourth grade, 10 years old student, and said, "Oh, it's so satisfying. I have never thought about this could be satisfying to see my hand movement." Okay, this is a side note, just one friend talking about that. Okay, now we will do the unboxing. I love French butter cookie. There are different kinds. I have some in the other container, and in the other place. Today I will just open this one. Another thing, I bought this one. I feel so bad, but it's very, 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 very good. I got it in Ralph in Los Angeles, and this one is citron framboise, lemon and raspberry, and another one I forgot. It's miel et sangria et miel. It's blood orange, and honey. It's very good. Oh my goodness! Chocolado, and they are very, very, very good. And it's so heavy. I like to buy these boxes. I always buy these boxes. For that. Maison familiale. This is a home business. The grandfather started this business. Another loser unboxing. Yesterday I was about to do a loser unboxing. It's about these glasses. So I have bought these glasses, and yesterday, this time I went to Los Angeles, and I always prepare 1 or 2 or 3 pair of long distance driving glasses, or go to museum or go to other places for some further away things. And then I went to I forgot to bring 1 pair, so I went to Ralph to buy one. There is one $6.99. There is one $11.99. There is essential reading glasses is $11.99, and the reading glass is $6.99, and Foster Grant is $17.99. I tried, and finally I was thinking maybe the most expensive, comparatively the most expensive, is good. So I bought that one and went to check out. The price is $25.99. It's suddenly the price is so much more expensive. Is that because of the tariff? I do not know. I start to notice a lot of things that are increasing price in our soya sauce and this kind of imported food is starting to increase price. And so because it's quite it is expensive, and I'm ready to I decide to break my arm and leg to buy a better one. But suddenly when I pay, it increased 30 to 40% is a little bit too sharp for me. So I didn't buy that one. I took the cheapest one. It is good, it is useful, but as I was driving, there's sunshine, and when I go out, when sunshine directly onto it, it's a little bit foggy, a little bit feels like a layer of mask on it. So I was not very happy. So I came back. I thought maybe I should go to Costco to buy another 3 pair. So I bought this one. They have a new style, and I like it. So the lesson from this, if you buy a right one, buy a good one, and sometimes the price is a little bit stretched, but if you pay that price, it actually makes your life happier and easier. And something that is really not that good quality, get rid of it. So I decide to not to use that one. I use it as a lesson for me. If something is not good, makes me not happy, then not to buy it. Yeah, that's the lesson for it. Sometimes bad things happens, you waste that. What can you do? It's a lesson. And this is a good quality one. I like it. And I have just tried it yesterday. I think Saturday or Sunday. No. Monday or Tuesday. Monday I bought it. I didn't open it up. I waited because I want to do an unboxing, winner unboxing. So 3 pairs, a blue or black one, a turtle one, and a white one. 3 pairs, something like $18 something. It's a good. I remember there was one NFL, National NHL, National Hockey League coach, and there was one time he went to do a speech, and suddenly he forgot his glasses, so he had to go to CVS or Rite Aid or Walgreens, this kind of store, to buy a pair of glasses, or maybe a specialty glass. So he spent $70 to buy a pair of glasses, reading glass. And he was reading it, and he was, oh, I got a new pair of glass, and because I need it for emergency, and otherwise I cannot see, and it's a rip-off. I go to Costco, 3 pairs, $15, and that one is a rip-off. And I immediately fell in love with this kind of coach. Ah, he's so down to earth. I love it. I know for you, maybe $20 buy a pair of glass, or $15 or $10 buy a pair of glass is a shame for you. But for me, that is my standard, and it works very well. I like it. Anyway, what I am talking about. I'm sorry for your time, wasting your time, because today I went back to school and I am done for my day, so I am done for my week. So I'm very proud, very, I think I want to eat it. I do want to eat it. I am very, very, very happy. Look at this. I love this container, so I bought it because it's a pretty container. I didn't know what is inside, and it does not matter. Since I bought it, I better eat it. So, so I finished my week. I am so very proud, so very happy. So I deserve to talk nothing, right? Yeah. Oh. So today is a heavy day, non-stop, full class, and I made it. And I still have my voice. I was very surprised, and maybe I will be good. Thank you very, very. Oh, I need to do some new earrings. Love these earrings. It's cute. Yeah. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Good good. Bye bye. My time to eat. Oh, yeah. I am about to eat it. I will not eat in front of the camera. I think eating is a very, very private thing, and something I do not understand, that people in front of camera eat, and eat a lot of things, eat the most bizarre things. It's I just cannot see it. And some people wants to see it. Ew. Eh. 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 Bye bye. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Good good. Bye bye.